As we first told you yesterday, Rhode Island is the first state in the nation where all public and private colleges and universities are requiring students to be vaccinated against COVID-19 prior to the start of the fall semester.
12 News reporter Courtney Carter spoke to some of those schools today, and she joins us now with what students need to know and dives deeper into the legality of putting a mandate like this in place. Courtney?
Governor Dan McKee making that announcement at his briefing this week. But I checked in with all of those schools and dug deeper into this requirement. Rhode Island's 11 colleges and universities are part of more than 500 higher education institutions nationwide to enforce COVID-19 vaccine mandates for this fall. Governor Dan McKee saying all 11 of the state's colleges and universities are requiring students to be fully vaccinated.
The more we get vaccinated, the safer we are, the sooner we can open our economy. Part of our economy is our universities, and our students being back on campus full-time in the fall is going to be a big, a huge shot in the arm to our local economy.
McKee says having the state's student population fully vaccinated, which is 73,000 people, is even more important as the Department of Health tracks the Delta variant. But is it even legal for a college or university to require students to be vaccinated?
Well, sure, because we also give them the option to file an exemption for personal or religious reasons. They just have to, fill out the documents and provide that information to us. So it's not as though we're forcing everybody.
Dave LaValle at URI also says most students and their parents seem to be on board.
So overwhelmingly, parents and students have been very, very supportive of the requirement. Yes, there's always a few who have, concerns about this, but generally people are eager to participate because they themselves as students want that full campus experience again.
Coming up at 6, there are lawsuits being filed nationwide about the vaccination requirements for a lot of colleges this fall. I'll go into all of those details coming up. I'm Courtney Carter, 12 News.
There are mixed reactions tonight to every college and university in Rhode Island requiring students to get vaccinated for the fall. Not everybody returning is happy about it. 12 News reporter Courtney Carter continues our in-depth coverage.
Rhode Island's 11 colleges and universities are part of more than 500 higher education institutions nationwide to enforce vaccine mandates for this fall. Some parents are on board while others feel this is a problem. All 11 of the state's colleges and universities are requiring students to be fully vaccinated, and local reaction to the decision has been mixed. On Twitter, Ethan in Providence says, "I'm a parent and I think it's the right public health course of action. After all, colleges have mandated shots like meningitis for years. This isn't new." While Deborah out of Hopkinton says they are violating law in doing so. But is there a legal question here? 12 News reached out to 2 of the schools in the state, Brown and URI. Both say their requirements are legal, and there are opt-outs for medical and religious reasons. 8 college students in Indiana, though, have filed a lawsuit challenging their university's policy that they can't come back to campus unless they're vaccinated.
An ideal situation would have been a vaccine recommendation, perhaps, but not a mandate.
And the American Bar Association Wednesday saying that a New England law student has filed a federal court claim against his school, alleging they required him to wear a mask on campus, comply with social distancing policies, and submit proof of receiving the vaccine. Now, Governor McKee says all those vaccinations will add up to help the state. There are currently 73,000 college students in Rhode Island. I'm Courtney Carter, 12 News.